Landscape flood lighting is a popular lighting method used to enhance the aesthetics and functionality of outdoor spaces. These versatile lighting fixtures not only illuminate your architectural features, pathways, and garden, but also provide safety and a touch of sophistication. In this video, we will delve into the realm of landscape flood lighting, covering its definition, importance, advantages and disadvantages, best practices, and real-life design inspirations. Whether you're a homeowner looking to transform your garden or a landscape designer seeking insights, this presentation has something for everyone. Landscape flood lighting is the deliberate use of sturdy, broad-spectrum lights within the outdoor environment after sunset to illuminate broad regions or highlight certain architectural and natural aspects. Outdoor flood lighting is an incredibly effective method for changing the gloomy canvas of gardens, paths, and architectural facades into impressive visual spectacles. Understanding the significance of landscape flood lighting may help you appreciate its utility in outdoor design. One of the primary reasons for incorporating outdoor flood lighting is to enhance the visual appeal of outside spaces. Properly positioned lights can transform your garden, making it a breathtaking sight during the evening hours. You may create a magnificent focal point that draws attention and admiration by illuminating key elements. Landscape flood lighting allows you to enjoy outdoor spaces, even after sunset. Whether it's for a quiet evening on the patio, a family gathering, or a romantic dinner, well-planned lighting can extend the usability of your outdoor area well into the night. A well-lit exterior area is a safer one. Landscape flood lighting eliminates dark corners and provides better visibility, reducing the risk of accidents and deterring intruders. It adds an extra layer of security to your property. Investing in landscape flood lighting can increase the value of your property. Potential buyers often appreciate a beautifully lighted outdoor space, making it an attractive feature for resale. Before delving into the technical aspects of landscape flood lighting, consider the several advantages it provides. Landscape flood lighting offers endless design possibilities. You can customize the lighting to suit your specific preferences, whether you prefer a soft and subtle ambience or a dramatic and eye-catching display. Modern landscape flood lighting options, such as LED fixtures, are highly energy efficient. They consume less electricity while providing ample illumination, which can lead to reduced energy bills. Enhanced visibility means fewer tripping hazards and a safer outdoor environment for your family and guests. Landscape flood lighting makes it possible to highlight your favorite outdoor attractions, such as sculptures, water features, or specimen trees. While landscape flood lighting offers numerous advantages, it's essential to be aware of potential drawbacks as well. High-quality landscape flood lighting fixtures and installation can be expensive. However, the long-term benefits often justify the initial investment. Improperly designed or installed landscape flood lighting can contribute to light pollution, which may disturb neighbors or affect wildlife. Regular maintenance is necessary to guarantee that your lighting system works properly. This could entail cleaning fixtures, replacing lights, and dealing with electrical issues. Consider the following best practices to get the most out of your landscape flood lighting. Create a lighting plan outlining your aims and identifying the areas or elements you want to highlight before purchasing any fixture. This plan will serve as a blueprint for your project. Select fixtures that are appropriate for your specific needs. Consider factors such as wattage, beam angle, color temperature, and quality. LED fixtures are a popular and energy-efficient choice. Carefully position your floodlights to avoid glare and harsh shadows. Aim lights away from direct lines of sight and use shields or glare guards if necessary. Create depth and dimension by combining floodlights, spotlights, and path lights. Layering light sources can add depth to your landscape. Consider using lighting controls such as timers, motion sensors, or smart lighting systems. These controls can improve energy efficiency and security. Let's take a look at some real-life landscape flood lighting designs to inspire your own outdoor lighting project. Highlight the architectural features of your home with well-placed floodlights. Lighting up the facade or specific architectural elements, like columns or archways, can add a touch of grandeur and elegance to your property. Uplighting trees in your garden can create a dramatic effect. Position floodlights at the base of the trees, directing the light upward to showcase their branches and foliage. Use soft, warm floodlights to create a cozy environment in outdoor living spaces such as patios, pergolas, or decks. In the evening, these areas transform into welcoming retreats. Create a magical atmosphere by lining your garden pathways with low-level floodlights. The gentle illumination guides you through the garden while showcasing its beauty. If you have a pond or water feature, consider underwater floodlights. These create a mesmerizing play of light on the water's surface and surrounding landscape. Landscape floodlighting is not merely an outdoor necessity. It's an art form that elevates your outdoor spaces to new heights of beauty, functionality, and security. You can make informed decisions about your outdoor lighting project by understanding its definition, recognizing its significance, and analyzing its pros and downsides. By using best practices and pulling inspiration from real-life designs, you may begin on a journey to transform your outdoor space into a fascinating masterpiece, where light paints landscapes and produces unique memories. In conclusion, landscape floodlighting is an indispensable element of modern outdoor design. It offers a wide range of benefits, from enhancing aesthetics and security to extending the usability of outdoor spaces. While it has benefits and drawbacks, the key is careful planning, thoughtful installation, and regular maintenance. Outdoor floodlighting has the capacity to enrich your outside environment and leave a lasting impact on those who visit, whether you draw inspiration from known designs or create your own lighting masterpiece. So, step into the world of landscape floodlighting and let your outdoor space shine brightly, even in the darkest of nights.